Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. I hope all of you are doing very well. So in today's video, we are going to talk about the latest updates on joining dates of multiple companies. So as there are a wide range of candidates who are watching our channel and they are waiting for their onboardings of different companies. Different companies as in Wipro, Infosys, Accenture, IBM, TCS and many other different companies, and many of them has received offer letter from like past 6 months back, or some of them are waiting even from past 1 year. So they are not aware about when is the next onboarding happening, and if there is onboarding happening also, then why they are not getting their joining dates. So all of these details we are going to cover in this video. So make sure that you watch the video till complete end so that you don't have any doubts. Also, I will try to discuss more and more queries that you guys ask in the comment section, and that is mostly asked by many of the candidates, so that will also help you. So let's start the video. But before starting the video, if you are new to the channel, make sure to subscribe to the channel, as I regularly upload off-campus drives as well as placement preparation and onboarding updates on my channel. You can see that I regularly upload any of the onboarding updates. If there are any interview results that are out, or if there are any mails that the company sent, I bring them with proper screenshots and latest updates. And all of the updates that I bring are very genuine and not any fake updates. So with this, if you are new to the channel, make sure to subscribe to the channel so that you don't miss any of the updates from the channel. Let's go ahead and start our today's discussion. So in this video, we are going to discuss about the complete information related to joining, which company will give joining on which date. Okay, so there are total of 9 companies for which we are going to discuss the joining updates in this video. The companies are mentioned here, that is Wipro, TCS, Cognizant, Infosys, Zoho, DXC Technology, IBM, Accenture and Capgemini. Also, we are also going to discuss about the different profiles of the companies, such as in Wipro, many students are from phase 1, phase 2, elite and turbo candidates are there, WILP candidates are there. So what is the update about them? So, and these are some of the answers to the common queries. Like in TCS, there are 2 profiles, Ninja and Digital. Some of the students have queries like whether the digital students are getting the offer letters or not yet. So all of these details. So make sure to subscribe to the channel to get all the latest updates for upcoming months. So let's see the onboarding updates of different companies. So we have Accenture joining dates as December 1st and January 23. So these are the current joining dates. So after this, the students or the candidates who are waiting, they will get their joining. IBM is having its joining in March. So IBM is having the joining in March, and the candidates who are with offer letter and waiting for joining will get the updates soon from the company. Capgemini recently have updated that they will give the joining in the month of April to May. So make sure that if you have the offer letter of Capgemini, you are prepared for your onboarding in month of April. Cognizant has starting the onboarding. So Cognizant is currently hiring and they are giving the onboardings continuously. So if you are from Cognizant, you will also get your joinings very soon. And from Infosys, now Infosys has recently not updated from a long time, as we all know that Infosys was rescheduling the batches from like past many months. Some of the candidates got their first joining letter and joining in June, which got rescheduled, and they got in September, which again got rescheduled, and in the third joining they got their final joining. And there are many students who are still waiting for their joinings, and some of the candidates who got their rescheduling joining in December are going to join in December, but there is no update on many April 2022. 22nd of April is candidates and other candidates who has appeared in May or June. So there is no update as of now from the company, but the main thing is that since this is a recession period going on, company will soon start going to give the joinings. It is expected that company will give the joinings, and from the month of February the company is going to give the joining. Also, I would suggest that those who are waiting for Infosys joining from like last April, don't just totally be dependent on Infosys. Instead, just keep on applying for the other drives as well, because there were many students who even applied after Infosys in IBM and they got the selection and they have even joined now. So you can see that instead of waiting for one company, try parallelly applying for other companies. Maybe you get the joining in other company. Next company that we have is Wipro. So Wipro has not given any official date of joining, but we all know that Wipro has mentioned in one or two communications that they are going to hire in December and January for elite and turbo candidates. So this is the information that is coming, but still there is no proper written official communication. Moving on to TCS. So TCS is going to onboard in some TCS is currently onboarding in some regions like Kolkata, Delhi and Pune this month. So some of the candidates already got onboarded in these regions and some are getting continuously onboarded. Also, these all are from Ninja Profile, and many students have the query that recently the offer letters are getting generated, even who are getting rejected, they are getting the message in the Next Step portal. So if someone is not getting the any update in Next Step portal that whether they are rejected or not, their status is just badged only. So I would only say that for those students, badged means that you still have to wait for your result. Don't consider yourself as rejected, because you can consider yourself as rejected only when it is showing as reject message or reject message on TCS Next Step portal. Otherwise you still have to wait for your updates. Another query was that whether digital candidates are also getting offer letters or only the Ninja ones are getting. So yes, I have heard from 3 or 4 different digital candidates that they have also got their offer letters. So yes, digital offer letters are also getting rolled out. Next company is Zoho. Zoho has started their onboarding and continuously onboarding again. DXC is onboarding freshers on the monthly basis. So those who have the offer letters of DXC, they are getting onboarded on monthly basis. So also this is a very high recession period going on. That is why all the companies who already have many students waiting with the offer letters are not giving joining to the students. So I would only suggest that keep waiting patiently and keep on applying to the multiple drives, as you never know how long the recession will go on and in what month you are going to get your joinings. So with this, we have discussed complete details. If you have any more queries, you can ask in the comment section. As you might already know that there are many students on our channel who are waiting for their joinings and who have recently joined the companies. So they will also answer your question, and I also try to answer all your doubts in the comment section. So if you have any doubts, you can ask in the comment section. Join us on different social media platforms so that you can also discuss among the different candidates and students over there. Make sure to subscribe to the channel to receive all such regular updates. Thanks for watching and all the best for your upcoming joinings.
If you have not followed us on Instagram yet, please follow, as we regularly post updates on our Instagram channel. You can also ask your doubts in the DM section. Also, if you have not yet subscribed to our Telegram channel, please go ahead and subscribe to it. You will get all the relevant links in the description box.